Umugavana we county ye Hon Simba Arati ritukoria rero abaka gutarira omwana Sagini oyo baka gokonorwa amaiso asensemo ya marani asabekire asenyagitari ya Kisii Eye okwana chinga kyecho Simba Arati nigo agikeria gakorekyo asiboigo aenekia bunangwa kanare bilionsi no mwana no manyagitari monene asenseme yo boigo nere na kwanira gakorekyo nakogeyikere borro askire atebabuna omwana Sagini nagendreta kobwena kurindeta gochekorora ase obugima bwaye muri keitonde mo Stephen nabagawe kirana sense meyo na tigato iwa manke ari atwariganiritie
magega yo mwana Junior Sagini kuringori guna banyagitari nigo bona bweni guna kobabuya asekorenda banyagitari baine kiribuna inseye rioba bobweni amboyo buramokonye arore naende asobogima bwaye.
Fortunately, the child is quite healthy, is talking, is walking around, although blind, and is actually healed. So he should be discharged. That cannot be a possibility because it was crudely done. There are no experts. We are the only hospital in this region who do cornea transplants, and we get all our corneas from the US. There's no eye bank facilities in Kenya that is functional, so we get our corneas from the US, and there's no technology at the moment in any other place around here which can handle those eyes, and it was crudely done and with a lot of infections, and really that doesn't happen. I'll 100% rule out that possibility.
Omwana Sagini nigatarirwa nyagitari na babisakorwa bisio mugavana Kisii bakorau na governor Simba Arati.
It's unfortunate that this has happened to a small boy, 3-year-old. The only thing we can do is that I know and I'm realizing this is a thing which has been raised. There is a mental health issue in many families. Not necessarily in Kisii, countrywide, which we think that we need to look into and see if it's possible for us through the community health workers.
Arati na ichanirege kuri kiona gukigikeria asebona ruri irabuna abisene akaniro kubweni gwa kwa Sagini na asara bega kobera kurindwa goikoko bakwa yabuya.
As a government, personally, I've decided that I'll settle the bill with the hospital here where the baby was brought in. And at any given time that we found the other side of rehabilitation center is accommodative, therefore daktari will release the baby to.
Okobori gwani gobono kwa ruru asabe menyime ya Kisii wetanga ne chimbwa chimbe chobo kebago asabisie county ya Kisii ya ruri ira ne konya sera nyare.
It's my humble request that those ones, the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, the clan elders, I'm sure where this incident happened, chiefs must be knowing that that family, it had a problem and they should have put a cross eye to what was to happen, all the aspect of what was to happen.
Obo tukiwega koreke nigo bogendrete nsemo ya marani na bisicha banyanyimbo ase abagereria bange bo bwene bwa mwanya bantu batebire goika baterene bokongu goiko mwana Junior Sagini onyolero bwene bwaye.
Has be our brother's keeper all through. I'm realizing we don't have a proper facility, and you know it has called upon my conscience now. Even the supplementary I was doing, I have to put some little money to make sure there is rescue center properly.
Koripoteria Ndizi TV, Elietariane, Ndemo Stephen.